understanding. To our distinguished guest speaker, Honorable Vice Governor Mark Livingston, our beloved school directress, Ma'am Jean A. Salavante, our supportive school principal, Ma'am Sabel E. Tibayan, our very own advisor, Teacher Eric Salavante, to all teachers and staff, parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day to all of you. This day marks the first milestone in our life. We are very happy that this day comes with a very memorable outcome. As a young pupil who stands in front of you, I should say that there are lots of people behind this early success. It is my honor to give credit for those who made this achievement possible. First, I would like to thank God for the intelligence and talents He had given. Second, to my advisor teacher, Edith, together with Ate Jo, for teaching and guiding us patiently. To my family, most especially to my mom and dad, I thank them for the love, caress, support, and understanding in every endeavor I made. Lastly, to my alma mater, Lipa Montessori School, for being the best saver even for a young man. Once again, I share my success to all of you. Do not stop dreaming and aim high. Thank you and a pleasant day to everyone. God bless us all.